Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to add Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster tool using Yoast SEO plugin. So first you have to log into your website, then go to the Yoast SEO, then click on the settings. After that, you have to click on the site connections. So here there are a couple of ways you can add Baidu, Bing, Google. So first we'll start with Google. So the name of the website is WP Wonder. We'll just have to select the URL and then go to the URL prefix. If you never add it, you just have to click on the add property and add property. And then you'll be able to see this. You have to put the domain on the URL prefix and click continue. You have to wait a little bit. Then you'll see like there are a couple of ways you can add verify your ownership of the website. So for Yoast, you'll use the HTML tag. You have to copy it and then go to this Yoast settings, which is called site connections, and place it here under Google. Then click save changes. Now go to the Search Console and click verify. You have to click this one because you use the HTML tag. See, it's verified. You'll be able to see it here now. See the data. It's verified now. Okay. Now we want to add the Bing code too. Okay. Now we have to add it here at the site. You can either import from your Search Console or add it manually. We'll just do it manually. First, we have to select the URL again. We'll have to click add, and then we'll have to use the HTML meta tag. We have to copy it and do the exact same thing that we did before. Come to here and add the code, then click save changes. Now it's been ready to verify. See, it's added.